Wash entering.
What should we do? Deluxe, Rain-X, what? The whole 9?
The whole 9. Dun dun dun. Clearance
Where
section.
did I put my card? Oh, there's the other bill. Okay, that's fine.
Everything there is. Okay. The car wash. Surprising. I haven't been in one.
Yeah, I think I took you once when you were little. Well, I don't even think you're
Not responsible for power antennas, telescopic antennas, bug shields, luggage racks, sun visors, loose chrome / molding, running boards, spoilers glued on, any non-factory installed items. Caution, for your safety,
Oh my god, it's not taking my money.
please
bro.
remain in your vehicle. We are not responsible for any damage or claims as a result of using this car wash.
Sebastian, it's not taking my money.
Doesn't sound like a very good car wash. If there's any damage to the car, they don't care. Dang,
I mean, it's a brand new bill. I mean, how brand new do they want?
this is horrible. I think the car wash brand is
Does it not work?
Please add payment for your selection.
I don't think they give you change. Okay, waiting,
Dude, this is a brand new one. If it doesn't take it, there's something
not
wrong.
waiting. Cause it's a $20 bill. It only
Oh.
takes 10s, 5s,
What
and
the hell? I put a 10 in there earlier. Stupid.
And you need to do you selected a payment and you have to pay the exact price.
Took 5.
Anyways, yes. This car wash, huh? I don't even know the name of this car wash. I mean, oh, here's the little sign that
Took
says.
5.
I don't know if you could see it well. I'll zoom in a bit. Okay. It says wash and use and enter. Yeah. Okay, we're about to enter. Have the ultimate wash. This is gonna be sweet. Gonna be epic. Let's go. Woo. What the heck?
Let's drive forward. Is everything rolled up or what?
Yeah.
It's about to go down in here.
Stop.
It's about to go down.
Oh, what's that stuff? I don't know if you can see well.
I don't know, but if you don't get all this burn crap off, I'm gonna go ballistic. Dude, it's not even spraying my car. What is this?
Maybe I have to scoot up a bit.
No, it said stop. Maybe this is just the initial.
Oh. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot.
What happened here?
Daddy. Don't use your windshield wipers. They wash your car. They wipe it for
You better.
you. That, by the way, is water. And this is zoomed out on its lowest view. Dang. Oh no, this is soap. Oh, this is soap.
Are you talking to someone?
This is soap. This is the Grinchy Fun Hater. It's way too zoomed in.
Is that more soap?
I don't know. Leave a comment if you guys know what's happening. Oh, there's laser sight. I forgot. Oh, it only hit one side, I think. I feel so nice. Oh, it's warm.
What? No, I think it's just because the windows are open.
Oh, I thought it was warm. I was about to say. It's like, oh, ooh, oh.
Yeah, you better get all the dirt, bird poop out, okay?
Oh, oh, oh. Oh, well, that cleared the view a bit, but it's not getting. Hopefully, it goes to this side. Let's see. And just. Oh, a wave of tidal. It's a tidal wave. Okay, let me zoom out a bit.
Hey, why are we listening to this? I found a good country station. Or a good. Yeah. What is this?
It's the clear coat protected.
Okay, maybe they should have washed it better. Because I feel like there's still burn poop on the car.
How do you know? Oh, we should have checked
No,
it.
no, no. Because I tried it and this thing's really an issue. Clear coat, spot-free rims. Where's my Rain-X stuff?
I have no idea what this is. I don't know if you guys can see.
This is a spot-free rims.
I wonder how much pressure this is on the car. Probably bad.
No, it isn't actually. The old car washes used to put like scrubbies on your car, but these ones don't. They just use high pressure, so it's totally doesn't ruin any paint or anything.
There's a little history lesson for you guys that aren't old people.
It turns out crazy and stuff. Let's put 2 rinses through.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure this would be high pressure. So don't never get out of your car when you're doing this. If you guys can see the oh no! Right when I'm trying to show the company.
Where's my Rain-X?
Oh, that was a bit creepy. Okay.
Oh, you're gonna
Rain-X
blow-
is
I'm
right
gonna
there.
blow the dryer
Laser
or
wash.
what?
Oh, the laser wash is moving up.
This must be the Rain-X rims.
Let me just scoot out a bit. Laser wash is doing this for us. Thank you, laser wash. Anyways, I thought I would do a vlog.
Kind of looks like Rain-X.
Do you even tell what Rain-X is?
Rain-X makes the water just like slide off your windows when it's raining.
Okay, so and here it goes again. See those power cords?
This is the air blow drying.
Are you sure that's air?
The air blow drying while it's still on. That's weird. Why is it still going?
Yeah.
Why is everything still going, man? It's like I'm not driving my car. Drive forward.
Oh, what are these things? It says keep driving forward. What are those thingies? They're like, oh my god. Dun 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 dun. Now we're outside.
Is it really? Trying my car as much as it is. I think I want to reverse it.
Well, we're breaking the rules, people, and reversing.
Done.
And the place is called.
Psychoville. How am I gonna get out of here? It's gonna go all the way
I
across.
don't know what this
Hold on
place
to your
is called.
hats, dude.
It's a name brand. Oh, sorry, you probably saw too zoomed. Anyway, that's a vlog for today. More Call
We'll
of
see what it looks
Duty
like when we get
coming
home.
more,
We'll
okay?
see the damage when we get
Call
out.
of Duty coming later. Top 5 guns.
What was that?
My book.
Alright.
Okay. Nice. Subscribe. Even the